my name's Oliver.
And my name is Dale. We have a problem and we have solved it. Me and Oliver have a solution to our problem. Springland School rain jackets.
We have started our technology process by finding all the problems in Springland School with our class. It was very hard because Springland School is a great place. We came up with a few different problems and wrote them down on a piece of paper, as you can see here.
If someone liked and had an interest in your idea, you would be in a group. Because we had the same problem, we were in a group. Look at this picture. Can you spot our problem?
Oh my God.
Different coloured rain jackets.
Then we asked the teacher, how do we get started? We got one answer. The rubric that was the first part of the process. We had to write what was the problem how will we solve it. And an example, we needed to think about how might we might write our example, because we want to use someone in our class to help us. We needed to write how the jacket will affect him, because he didn't wear the right coloured jacket. It wasn't hard.
As soon as we had finished, we decided to make a survey and see about how the other classes would react. The classes loved it. They thought it was fantastic. When we got the feedback back, we decided to start on our brainstorm. We needed to list all the attributes. The top 4 was waterproof, because it's not a rain jacket if it's not waterproof. Second, it needed to have a detachable hood, because we need your head to stay dry, so it's nice and dry, so the jacket is the same. The third one is its pockets, because your hands need somewhere to go so they stay nice and warm. Fourth, it was all sizes, because it had to be all sizes because we do get bigger, you know.
We were thinking about making them ourselves, but we didn't exactly know how to sew. So we went and researched online and found a few websites: Kathmandu, Nike, Rebel Sports, Argyle and Rio. They had rain jackets and ones we want, but they're not a company that would fund school rain jackets. So we kept our own research, then asked where can we find a funder that would be happy to help us. We ended up finding 2 pretty good websites, and their work is to help fund people with clothing.
So we were in the right place. Business Clothing and Fern were the 2 websites we found. So when we sent the email, this is what we sent.
And this is how they both replied. As you might have read, Business Clothing gave us a pretty good response, and they're not really the right way we want to go. So we decided Business Clothing would help us way more.
So we were, as you might have read, he was going to give us a jacket. It had all the attributes we wanted in our jacket. So as you can see here. So we took the deal and asked if he could send it as soon as possible. He was glad to.
As soon as we got it, we had to test it out. Me and Dale got ice cream containers of water tipped on our backs with the jacket on.
Oh, that's cool.
When we finished our testing, we wrote down some questions about the jacket and surveyed them in 2 classes. One even started clapping, so that also shows that this should be the next bit of clothing in the Springland school. For us, this is a great jacket. Me and Ollie have had turns wearing it. It's everything you could ever want in a jacket. So our conclusion is, we want the jacket to be the next bit of clothing in the uniform, or maybe even replace an old one. Thank you.